Welcome everyone. I'm Vishal and you are watching the Coding Corner. In this video, we'll cover strong and emphasis, which are the elements in HTML5 which are used for the bolding and italicizing effects. And we'll also cover the difference between strong and bold as well as italic and emphasis. Alright, let's get right into the code. So I have my Visual Studio Code open here and I'll just type in some basic tag names and we'll wrap our content inside those tags. So I'll just type in for the italic tag, that is, let's say I'll make a paragraph and I'll write in that was not for you. So here I'll wrap this inside of the emphasis tag. So to write the emphasis tag, we have to make these em tags, and I'll cut this and paste it inside here. Similarly, I'll do something for italic. Let's say I'll type in another paragraph and I'll say Google it, and I'll wrap my Google inside of the italic tag. So it is just as simple as that. As we saw in the previous video, I'll cut Google and paste it in here. And similarly, I'll do some for the strong as well as bold tags, and inside of the paragraph I'll type in and I'll wrap my achievements inside of the bold tag as we saw in the previous one. So I'll cut this and paste it in here, and I'll do one for the strong tag. Another paragraph I'll type in I just subscribed the Coding Corner, and I want to wrap the Coding Corner inside of the strong tag. I'll make the strong tag over here, cut this text and paste it in here, and I'll just go ahead and save my file. And as you can see in my browser here, the one that we wrote for the emphasis tag, for the italic tag, for the bold tag and for the strong tag appear over here. Well, you might notice one thing, that the emphasis and the italic tag do the same job, as well as our bold tag and the strong tag do the same job. Now you might wonder, what's the difference between them? So, well, bold and italic are used for styling your content, and fundamentally strong and emphasis, which are newer in HTML5, are semantic, meaning that they help you to improve your content by adding a human touch in your content so that it's more readable, and it's very much beneficial when you are doing a search engine optimization task. And let's see the difference between emphasis and italic. So as we saw in a browser, that the statement that was not for you. So let's consider a scenario that your mom made a juice for your father, but accidentally you drank it, and now she yells at you, that was not for you. So here, that not is very much emphasized in this statement. The another statement, the scenario is that you are very much confused while buying a new smartphone, and you just share this thought with your friend, and he suggests you, bro, just Google it. So here the Google is meant for a subject. So the basic that I would recommend is use italic tags when referring to a subject, and use the emphasis tag while you are adding a human touch or while you are adding some emotions to your content. Moving ahead, we'll see the difference between strong and bold. So as we saw in our browser that we wrote the statement achievements in your resume. So here the achievements refer to just a title in your resume, and it just marks the importance that the content following this title is all about the achievements. But as you can see in the next statement, I subscribe to the coding corner. So here it is emphasizing and marking more importance of the coding corner in this statement. So we'll just revise this. The fundamental difference is that bold and italic are just styling elements. They just style your content so that they are just standing out of the other elements or the other text in your content. And the strong and emphasis tags are semantic. That is, they add a more of the human touch in your content to improve the search engine optimization, to improve the human readability in your content, and many more things. Alright, so that's it for the day. Thank you for listening to me so patiently, and I hope you might have understood the difference between strong and bold as well as italic and emphasis. If you have any doubts, please do leave a DM on our Instagram, or you can also join our Discord server. If you have any suggestions, we welcome your suggestions. You can just write your opinions in the comment section below. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends so that they can even learn a new skill right away. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay tuned. Happy coding.